pretty much got the beat mix laid out. So right now I am working on the bass. You can't, it really, it pains me. There is, yeah, I really wish that it would show this. But in Pro Tools, what I'm using is the IK Multimedia amp models that, you know, I started buying these 10 years ago. Had to been. And so now I've got a bit of a collection, and I use for my bass rig going to be dealing with a lot of clickiness. I really don't like having the limiter on there. I like these days I've been trying to get as much bass as I can, you know, to get the whole heavy bass sound everybody's into these days. I'm into too. I like heavy bass. But we gotta make sure that doesn't clip, so we gotta bring that down. So I'm just gonna back off that master. There we go. Got plenty of headroom. I really don't mess around with the EQ on it. But anyway, so it's the SVX 500 amp head that I go into, and then I use the 8x10 OBC 810 orange cab in the IK Multimedia sampler or modelers. And that's the sound you get. Pretty